Yes, here I am find out the cost of 2 comma 4. So cost of 2 comma 4 with the help of intermediate nodes k equal to 3 comma 4. Just ignore this value. 3, 4 are the intermediate nodes. Now we are calculating cost of 2 comma 4. So this is I, this is j. This is I, this is j. Right? So here cost of I 2 comma k minus 1. So what is k value? So here I am taking k equal to 3 na. So k equal to 3. 3 minus 1 2 plus c of kj 3 comma 4. So sum of 3 4 frequencies 1 plus 4 5. Right? So c of 2 comma 2 0 3 4. 3 4 is 4 plus 5 which is equivalent to 9. Which is equivalent to 9. So here I want to find out the cost when k is equal to 4. So c of 2 comma 4 which is equivalent to c of 2 minus k minus 1 4 minus 1 3 plus c of kj 4 comma 4 plus sum of weights 5. 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is 1 plus 0 plus 5 which is equivalent to 6. Which is equivalent to 6. So among us which one is the minimum cost? 6. So when k is equal to 4, c of 2 comma 4 is the minimum cost. Right? So k is equal to 4. C of 2 comma 4 is equal to 6. So here I am updating the minimum cost value in main table. Right? So C of 2 comma 4. C of 2 comma 4 is 6 and root is 4 and root is 4. Right? So here I am writing C of 2 comma 4 is equal to 6. So here I am find out the optimal binary search tree for 2 nodes. Right? So then I am calculating the OBST for 3 nodes. OBST for 3 nodes. Fine. So here I am calculating the OBST for 3 nodes. So here n is equal to 3. J minus I is equal to 3. So in which cases? So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Then 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then I am calculating cost of 0 comma 3. Cost of 1 comma 4. Here we are using same formula. Just ignore these values. We can find out the intermediate nodes for this one. K is equal to 1, 2, 3. Just ignore this value. What are the intermediate nodes? K is equal to 2, 3, 4. Right? So here 3 cases are generated for each and every cost finding. Right? So here I am finding the cost of 0 comma 3 when k is equal to 1. When k is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1. C of 0 comma 3. This is I, this is j. Then C of I 0 comma k minus 1. 1 minus 1 0 plus C of kj. C of kj. What is k value? 1 comma 3 plus sum of frequencies of intermediate nodes 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So here 1, 2, 3 frequencies are 3, 2, 1. So total 6. Fine. So here 0 comma 0 is 0. 1, 3. 1, 3 is 4 plus 6 which is equivalent to 10. Then at k equal to 2 cost of 0 comma 3. At k equal to 2 cost of 0 comma 3. This is I, this is j. So cost of I comma k minus 1 0 comma k minus 1 0 1 plus cost of kj 2 comma 3 2 comma 3 plus all weights are 6. So simply cost of 0 comma 1 is 3 2 3 cost of 2 3 is 1 plus 6 which is equivalent to 10, which is equivalent to 10. When again we are calculating k equal to 3, we can calculate cost of 0 comma 3 I comma j. So here cost of 0 comma 3 minus 1 2 plus cost of kj 3 comma 3 plus 6. So 0 comma 2 7 plus 3 comma 3 0 plus 6 which is equivalent to 30, right? So here minimum cost is 10 for k equal to 2, for k equal to 1, right? So here you have to choose 1 or 2, whatever, right? So simply here C of 0 comma 3 is equal to minimum cost is 10 when k is equal to 2, k is equal to 1. I have to take any intermediate node, right? So here I am taking k is equal to 2, any one of the taken. So k equal to 2. So here I am updating the value in main table 0 comma 3 10 10. So intermediate nodes are 1 or 2. So here I am writing 2, right? So again we are calculating the cost of, so what is the cost? 10. 0 comma 3 is 10. Then again we are calculating the cost of 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4. So here when k equal to 2, k equal to 3, k equal to 4. When k equal to 2, when k equal to 2, cost of 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4, this is I, this is j. So cost of I, what is I value? 1 comma k minus 1, 2 minus 1 1, cost of kj, what is k value? So here I am taking k is equal to 2 na, 2 comma 4 plus sum of intermediate node weights 2 3 4, 2 3 4 nodes, frequency 2 plus 1 plus 4, so total 7, 2 plus 3 plus 4 7. So here 1 comma 1 0, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4 is 6 plus 7 which is equivalent to 13, which is equivalent to 13. When k equal to 1, cost of 1 comma 4 is 13, right? So again when k equal to 3, cost of 1 comma 4, this is I, this is j. So here I am writing cost of I comma k minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2 plus cost of kj 3 4 plus, so sum of weights are 7. So 1 2, so 1 2 is 2, 3 4 is 4 plus 7 which is equivalent to 13, 7 3 12 13, right? So when k is equal to, when k is equal to 3 completed, 2 completed, 4, when k is equal to 4, cost of 1 comma 4, cost of 1 comma 4, cost of 1 comma 4, this is I, this is j. Cost of I comma k minus 1, what is I value? 1 comma k minus 1, 4 minus 1 3 plus cost of kj 4 comma 4 plus weight is 7. So 1 3 1 3 4 plus 4 comma 4 0 plus 7, so 11. So 11 is the minimum cost. when k is equal to 4, C of 1 comma 4 is equal to 11. So that is the minimum cost. So k is equal to 4, C of 1 comma 4 is equal to 11. So here I am updating the minimum cost for 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4, that is 11. Root is 4. Root is 4. Right? So 3 nodes are completed. Then I am calculating the OBST for 4 nodes. OBST for 4 nodes. So OBST for 4 nodes. So simply here I am writing j minus, so n is equal to 4, j minus I is equal to 4. So in which cases 4 minus 0, 4. Right? So here cost of 0 comma 4 is equal to, so here we are ignore 0. What are the intermediate nodes? K is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Then we are calculating cost of 0 comma 4 when k equal to 1, when k equal to 2, when k equal to 3, when k equal to 4. So among those, which one is the minimum cost? That is set to be cost of 0 comma 4. That is updated in main table. Right? So here I am calculating cost of 0 comma 4 when k equal to 1. When k equal to 1. So sum of all frequencies is said to be weight. 5, 9, 10. 5, 9, 10. So cost of, this is I, this is j. Right? For I, j. 0 comma 1 minus 1, 0 plus kj, C of 4 comma, sorry, k is 1 na, 1 comma 4. 0 comma 0, 0, 1, 4. 1, 4 is 11 plus 10, which is equivalent to 21. Right? Then cost of 0 comma 4 when k equal to 2. C of I, 0 comma I j, 0 comma k minus 1, 1 plus C of kj, 2 comma 4 plus 10. C of 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1 is 3 plus C of 2 comma 4, C of 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4 is 6 plus 10, which is equivalent to 19. 19. Then k equal to 3. I am calculating C of 0 comma 4. C of 0 comma 4. So which is equivalent to C of ij 0 comma k minus 1, 2 plus C of kj. What is k value? 3 comma 4 plus weight is 10. So 0 comma 2, 0 2, 7 plus 3 4, 3 4, 4 plus 10, which is equivalent to 21. Right? Again k equal to 4. I am calculating k equal to 4. Cost of 0 comma 4. This is I comma j. Cost of I comma k minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3 plus cost of kj. 4 comma 4 plus, so sum of weights are 10 na? So 10. So 0 comma 3, 10, 4 comma 4, 10. So which is equivalent to 20. So among those, which one is the minimum cost? 19. When k equal to 2, cost of C 0 comma 4 is the minimum, right? So k equal to 2. Cost of 0 comma 4 is equal to, cost of 0 comma 4 is equal to 90. So here 90. So here I am updating the cost of C of 0 comma 4, 90. when root is 2. Right? So here these values are negative values, so that's why we are not considering these values, right? So here j minus I means 1 minus, so 1 minus 0. So here j minus I is, so this value is 0 minus 1 minus 1, then 0 minus 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. So these are the negative values, so that's why there is no need to consider these values, right? So simply here crash marks, right? So based on this table I am generating the optimal binary search tree, right?